let me save the date na. Yes, yes. Alam mo, grabe ang pala mo. Diba? Ganon. Ito, ganyan na naman dapat. Kaya sabay ang pagkapayatan mo.
Ikaw rin dog. So very well. Mag-age.
Kahit bata pa lang siya nung nag-start siya. Nagpantay na yun.
Bantay lang. Diba?
Pantay na.
I'll see you later. See you later. Excited. Bye na.
How are you?
My face is not.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna do for you vampire treatment and then magic eye.
Okay.
So we'll start with the magic eye first.
Okay.
On the left eye, and then we'll finish it off with our vampire treatment.
Okay.
Let's do it. Normally, well, I know your skin is super nice, but of course, kailangan mas maganda pag close up. And because of your work, we have to make sure we take care of it really well. So normally sa mga Thai patients natin, ang most common request talaga na is this treatment that we're doing right now. You have a little bit of redness, and normally mga 24 hours lang naman. And by tomorrow, it should be okay na. But it really smoothens the skin, improves the pores, and the texture of the skin. And that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, super ready.
Okay, let's go. Born ready?
Born ready.
How is it? Sarap pa. Kaya. Kayang-kaya. Mission accomplished. Magic eye and our vampire treatment.
Yes! Yay! Thank you so much, Doc.
You had a good eye
Magic
day.
hands. Yes. Saya, it's so beautiful here, and it's like a partial spot. So we're really happy. We're gonna go back here all the time. So it's like home, like always. Yay!
Oh, ang ganda naman. Ang ganda with the mask.
Diba?
I'll see you guys outside.
See you again. Doc.
The new Ivy Clinic is here. I'm so ready to experience it. Let's go, let's go, let's go! So ito na po ang bagong Ivy. It's so nice.
Hello.
Hey.
Yeah.
I know. Ang ganda ng clinic no.
What can you say?
So good. At
Really? Promise?
Yes.
Bagay na bagay sa'yo?
Yeah, at saka lapit ko lang dito. So for the Southeast.
Oh my gosh! Perfect! Bagay na bagay ka dito. Especially bagay na bagay yung bag mo dito.
Ano na naman to?
Ano naman to? Parang na-distract ako kasi ang ganda ng bag niya, yung clinic namin. Magawa.
Nakakatawa pag hindi. Parang kasi Doc, hindi talaga ako fan ng Hermes.
Hindi siya fan. Hindi talaga, hindi siya fan.
Pero nung nakita ko yung silhouette na to, parang, I love it. Parang gano'n.
Anong tawag dito sa bag na to? What is this called?
JPG Kelly.
Yeah. JPG Kelly.
Shoulder Kelly.
Shoulder Kelly, yes.
Ito ang bag. Ito ba yung maliit na shoulder Kelly or the big
No,
shoulder
the
Kelly?
before. I think 2010.
2010 din lumabas. And I love the color.
I know.
Bagay na bagay sa clinic yung color ng bag mo.
Yeah. Tama.
Diba? Ano naman to? What are these?
Mga ano na.
Ang daming mga accessories.
Accessories, yeah.
Ang daming malalagay pero walang laman.
Totoo. Kasi nga, mabigat na yung bag.
Kasi yung bag kasi mabigat.
Tama.
Actually, agree ako. Kaya ako hindi siya nagagamit kasi yung bag pala mabigat.
Mabigat na siya.
Parang masakit na sa likod pag may mga backache ka.
Kaya ka kapag fashionista.
At kaya kailangan matrap to.
Yes!
Ang galing!
Naisigit na! Naisigit
Iba talagang witty at mabilis.
Yes, totoo.
Diba? Kaya kailangan ng trap tops kasi kakasuot mo ng mga bag na mabibigat.
Yeah.
Nakukuba.
Sumasakit na yung dito mo to.
So pag ginawa ko yung trap tops mo, ako yung bag mo.
Huwag naman, Dok. Babayaran ko na yung laptop.
O, i-charge siya ng trap. Iba na talaga. She's gone a long, long way. And I'm so proud of her.
Oh, thank you, Dok.
I'm so proud. Ang dami mo nang narating.
Oh.
Nakita ko.
Nakita mo, bro.
I saw the girl.
Yeah, thank you.
I saw and I witnessed.
Yes.
And I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, though.
And I wish you more.
Yes, please.
Alam mo, you worked hard for
Yes.
it.
Everything
That's
na
it. And tears pinaghirapan mo. You should be proud of it.
Yes.
You shouldn't be ashamed.
I'm super proud of you.
Yes, proud of yourself for what you've done.
And bakit di yan, lahat ng yan pinagbabahuan mo? Akin
Naman.
talaga, hard work.
Hard work yan talaga. Walang hindi siya easy.
Yes.
And that's good. At least we can inspire a younger generation of people who doesn't want the easy money. They want to really work hard for basta what they want in life. Dapat yan ang tinuturo natin sa kanila. There's no easy way. Okay, well, for me, alam ko, this is one of the achievements na gusto siya talaga. She's been doing this. I think this is her third or fourth.
1, 2, 3, 4 for many times.
Many times. Kailangan niya to, Kara?
Para,
Bakit mo siya favorite?
Hindi, kasi Dok, ako talaga po, sumasakit talaga yung dito ko. And aside from that, sobrang favorite ko pag humahaba yung leg ko, Dok. Parang pa-giraffe na ako.
Ay, mukha na nga.
Hindi pa,
Malapit
kulang
na.
pa. Kulang pa.
So, are you ready?
Yes, Dok.
So, parang relaxing dito, no?
Yes, Dok. Sa
Kaya-
South.
South, no? Oh, this is still considered South. Kasi.
Yes, Dok.
So, this is our second clinic in the South. Diba? Again, Parkal. In Ashana City.
Yes.
Diba? Tsaka masarap. Parang ano dito? Tahimik. No?
Yes, Dok. Parang siyang food
Oh,
place.
it's a foodie place. Yeah. This area.
Fresh na, Dok?
Fresh ka na. Super fresh na. Oh,
Oo
compared
nga,
to this
Dok.
side. Tsaka
Diba?
mamaya kita mo, in the next few minutes, you'll notice how, what's mag-effect na yung whitening niya. Your eyes is less dull,
Ganda, Dok.
less hollow. Oh,
Sobrang instant
fresh.
ano, no?
Oh, fresh. Oh, look at this side. Look how this is so much fresher compared to this side. Tingnan mo, ang lalim niya pa. Oh, tingnan mo dito, nag-lift na siya. Oh, and it gets better, ha? After a few minutes, ang ganda niya pala, no?
Ang ganda, Dok. Sobrang ganda.
Oo.
I love it.
Oh, diba? Ang ganda. I love it. Fresh na fresh lang. Ay, ang ganda.
Ganda, Dok. Grabe, promise. Hindi ako OA. Parang nakatulog ako ng 24 hours. Parang ganun ang atake.
Okay. Ay, listen natin. Ayan. Ayan. Mas magandang.
Diba?
Pakita mo sa kanila. Give it your best shot. Ay, naku, maganda ka na naman.
Ako, Dok, at pinagandaan ko kasi birthday mo.
Mas maganda ka pa sa akin sa birthday.
Oy, hindi, Dok.
Naman to.
Wala ito.
Ganda mo naman.
Kamusta?
Kamusta? Ang ganda.
Sasalo. Pero kasi, diba, hindi mo mahanap kasi yung waist ko. So, sinuot ko lang yung tatlo kong pangkalit. Wala ito. Ito lang ating mga bago recruit. Yes.
Kasi maganda.
True.
Ang ginabagi sa atin.
Nakaalam niyo dati talaga, walang-wala yung skin ko ngayon nung nagsa-start ako. Kasi parang naging Ivy League ako 2020. So parang makikita mo yung
Transformation talaga. Baka na siyang ano na, very artista.
Oo.
Kayo naman, Tito Boy, ang showbiz nyo.
Kaya na pwede pa natin mag-interview first siya na.
How does it feel to be an Ivy League? Ako nagpato ha. Maintain mo to.
Interview namin
Ah,
pala
oo.
talaga siya. And I've always telling Doc, I've been here since I was 14, 15.
So mayaman ka. Mayaman ka. Waitin mo na din. Oo. So parang homegrown ka pala ng
Yes. I
Ivy.
know her when she was 14. And until now, we're both 18.
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing.
So, ano, nasan ka? Grades ko pa ako nag-enjoy.
Pwede mo na. Dustin. Ikaw.
Dustin naman.
Ako naman, ako dito nagkaroon ko ng Facebook before, but
okay.
now, because of Bianca,
Yes.
iwala ko sa
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah. Diba? It's important eh.
Yeah.
Because if you're gonna be always on camera, and you're gonna be close up, diba?